Discover your path to total wellness. Join me as I take on the challenge to achieve total wellness in just 30 days. Let's see if I can transform my mind and body. But this isn't just about my journey. It's about all of us coming together to embrace a healthier, more balanced way of living. No matter where you are in your wellness journey, there's always an opportunity to make meaningful changes that positively impact your life. Achieving total wellness is more than just a New Year's resolution or a fleeting goal. It's a lifelong commitment to living a balanced and fulfilling life, where every aspect of our being is thriving. Studies show that people who prioritize their wellness live longer, healthier lives. According to the CDC, regular physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity by up to 50%. When we prioritize our wellness, we open ourselves up to new possibilities, increased energy, and a deeper sense of purpose. But how do we actually get there? How do we overcome the obstacles that keep us stuck in cycles of stress, poor habits, and neglecting our own needs? Why do we struggle with wellness? We all want to feel our best, but often life gets in the way. Work deadlines, family responsibilities, financial pressures, and even social obligations can make it challenging to stay on track. Stress, poor diet, and lack of exercise can hinder our progress, leaving us feeling stuck and frustrated. Research from the American Psychological Association indicates that over 75% of adults report experiencing moderate to high levels of stress, which can negatively impact both mental and physical health. The temptation to put our wellness on the back burner is real, especially when life gets busy. But what if I told you that it's precisely during those times that we need to prioritize our wellness the most? When we're stressed, overwhelmed, and feeling like we're running on empty, that's when we need to take a step back, breathe, and focus on our own well-being. The truth is, taking care of ourselves is not selfish, it's essential. Studies show that self-care and stress management techniques such as mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress levels by as much as 40%. The trap of unrealistic expectations. Another common barrier to achieving total wellness is the unrealistic expectations we place on ourselves. We see fitness models and influencers on social media, and we think we need to look or feel a certain way to be healthy. But the truth is, wellness is not a one-size-fits-all solution. According to a 2023 study, over 60% of individuals feel pressured by social media portrayals of wellness, which can lead to anxiety, unhealthy comparisons, and even disordered eating habits. Perhaps the biggest obstacle to achieving total wellness is our own mindset. We often think that we need to wait until we're feeling motivated or inspired to make a change. But the truth is, motivation is a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly. We need to stop waiting for the perfect moment and start taking small, consistent actions towards our wellness goals. Studies show that forming small daily habits can increase the likelihood of long-term success by up to 80%. What does total wellness really mean? Total wellness is not just about being physically healthy, it's about cultivating a deep sense of well-being that encompasses our physical, mental, emotional, and social health. It's about recognizing that every aspect of our lives is interconnected and that taking care of one area can have a ripple effect on all the others. When we prioritize our physical health, we feel more energized and focused, which can improve our mental clarity and emotional resilience. When we nurture our emotional well-being, we're better equipped to handle stress and adversity, which can improve our relationships and overall quality of life. The physical dimension of wellness is often the most obvious one. It's about fueling our bodies with nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and moving our bodies in ways that feel good. Research from Harvard Medical School suggests that a healthy diet can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease by up to 30%. But it's also about listening to our bodies and honoring their unique needs. Maybe we need to take a rest day, or maybe we need to push ourselves a little harder. It's about finding a balance that works for us and making self-care a non-negotiable part of our daily routine. The mental dimension. The mental dimension of wellness is perhaps the most overlooked, but it's equally important. It's about cultivating a growth mindset, practicing mindfulness, and reframing our negative thoughts. The World Health Organization estimates that depression and anxiety disorders cost the global economy over $1 trillion in lost productivity annually. When we prioritize our mental well-being, we're better equipped to handle stress, anxiety, and adversity. The emotional dimension. The emotional dimension of wellness is about acknowledging and honoring our emotions. It's about recognizing that our emotions are valid and that it's okay to feel vulnerable. Studies show that practicing emotional intelligence and self-awareness can improve overall life satisfaction by up to 35%. It's about building resilience, learning to forgive ourselves and others, and cultivating empathy and compassion. When we prioritize our emotional well-being, we're better equipped to navigate life's challenges and build deeper, more meaningful relationships. The social dimension. The social dimension of wellness is often the most underrated, but it's crucial to our overall well-being. Research from the National Institute on Aging indicates that strong social connections can increase lifespan by up to 50%. It's about building a community that supports and uplifts us rather than drains and depletes us. It's about setting boundaries, communicating our needs, and nurturing our relationships. When we prioritize our social well-being, we're better equipped to handle stress, build resilience, and find a sense of belonging. The power of self-compassion. One transformative insight that can significantly impact our journey towards total wellness is the power of self-compassion. Studies show that self-compassion is linked to lower levels of stress and anxiety and can enhance motivation and resilience. When we practice self-compassion, we're better equipped to handle setbacks, make mistakes, and learn from our experiences. We're kinder to ourselves, more gentle, and more patient. We recognize that we're human and that it's okay to not be perfect. We create a safe space for ourselves to grow, learn, and evolve. When we practice self-compassion, we're more likely to take risks, try new things, and step outside our comfort zones. We're more resilient, more adaptable, and more open to new experiences. We're less critical, less judgmental, and more accepting of ourselves and others. We're more likely to focus on our strengths rather than our weaknesses and celebrate our successes rather than dwelling on our failures. Taking action, small steps toward big change. So, what can you do today to start moving towards total wellness? It's not about making drastic changes or setting unrealistic goals. It's about taking small, consistent actions that nurture your well-being. Maybe it's taking a 10-minute walk outside or practicing a few minutes of deep breathing. Studies show that just 20 minutes of daily exercise can reduce the risk of premature death by 30%. Maybe it's cooking a healthy meal or writing down 3 things you're grateful for. Whatever it is, remember that every small step counts and that the journey towards total wellness is a lifelong one. Join the journey. Thanks for joining me on this journey towards total wellness. If you're struggling with your own wellness challenges, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's one thing you're committed to changing this week to prioritize your well-being? Let's hold each other accountable and celebrate each step forward together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on more wellness insights and advice. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.